Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix is Marcia. Now, Marcia is at one of her Nadine's friend's house, and she said that she's renting a room there as she was closer to where the funeral was than at the hotel that she booked. And so she said she'll be trying to see if she's able to get back the money from the hotel for the day or two that, she did not spend at the hotel. But she said she will see how that works out. But she is somewhere else and she will be flying tonight, going back to New York, where she will be staying for a little while, she said. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video and see what Marcia has to say. There was someone also that, troubled her, and she had this to say to him. So, go catch the video, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful one.
I go spend few days in New York. Come on, catch him in there, New York. Before I come back to Connecticut, I'm going to spend a few days in New York. You want to show hotel? I'm going to show your ass hotel when I return tonight. You want to come see hotel? I'm going to show you hotel tonight when I reach back home. You motherfucker. I'm going to see if you can challenge me. Challenge me. You want to show in a nice place? Wait until I return tonight. And when my shuttle bus pick me up and drop me off. You want to see if you want to match up to live like me? Try me. Try me for 2024. And see if you can beat me. See if you can catch my record from December the 4th. So, punk ass boy, I will see you in my shuttle bus to take me to my apartment when I get back. You want to do that and beat me? Come do that and beat me, punk ass boy. So when I reach the airport, when I get out of the airport, my shuttle bus will be waiting for me. Come do that and beat me. Come do it and beat me now. Come in and drive back to Connecticut no night. Them the hours their night. Pan road. Come I got tired. But when I get to the airport, my shuttle bus will be waiting for me. You want to come show up? Boy, I got hotel a show. I will show you mine. As I always do. And the only reason why I never see the big nice hotel when they book for Aruba are just because it's too far from where I was going to Nadine funeral. And Nadine friend rent me one of her room. And she treat me very well. And I'm very happy she did. Because it was too far. Even though I lose my money. But let's see when I go back home and call and dispute it in my bank. And call them and see if they can put it toward further use. Because God worked out everything. Because we never know so the cemetery was right across from her. So everything worked out perfectly. And God do it. It wasn't supposed to happen no formal way. So when I get back, I will deal with the bank and dispute it. And see if they only can take one day of the money and give me back the rest of them. Because they're supposed to take one day, they're not supposed to take all. But anyway, that was their policy. No cancellation. You understand? So that is what I have to work with. So let me get back and try to explain to our management. Let them know it was emergent situations. And see if them have a heart. And transfer back money in bank account. You look a punk ass boy. I go have a seat. You can't beat me. Everything we are say out of social media, may have proof to counteract that. And even though I'm here at this wonderful lady house, I'm not here for free. I rent it. She rented to me. She's the one that offered it to me. And I accepted it because it's just for a few days to inconvenience myself. But me not stay at people's house. Me is a hotel girl. But she was very warm to me, carried me all over the place. And because of that, I decided to stay. You can't chat me. Because me have receipts. You understand? And me glad that I made a decision to come around her. Because if I didn't come around her, me wouldn't get the opportunity to go drive around all over the place and know places. Because it would cost me a lot of money to go jump in a cab. So God know what he was doing. So you look a punk ass boy, have a seat. Me gain a friend. Me no gain an enemy. While you on Facebook acting like an idiot, I've gained a wonderful lady in my life. So when me come here, she's a woman that everybody knows. She helped people in the past or whatever, and she's a very respected woman, everybody know. So at least if me come to Aruba, she live here almost 40 years and speak different languages. So me in a good hand. So big her up for welcome me in her house with her grandchildren. Our children live a foreign, back and forth. She have her grandpit name a visit. Dispute, it's a bereavement refund. Okay. Me I go tell them that. Some of my friend text me and tell me in a WhatsApp. Me gain people. You not gain nobody. At least if I come back to Aruba, me in good hands. All me have to call her if she's in town, because she travel too. And tell her, say, come carry me around. At least if me in a trouble Aruba, me can call her and many other people when we get numbers and they will look out for me. You know, everybody will look out for you. She see who me is. She see me on social media and she watch me. And she get the privilege to have me in her house. And we go up have a wonderful time. Personality click. And she can't tell us that it's not like what's on social media. You not gain nobody. I gain a friend here. People that will look out for me if I come to this country. And me need to say, all right, come tell me how this go. Where to go, from where not to go. She know everywhere. You understand? You not gain nobody. All you sit down on social media like a big market too, man. I chat foolishness of people years old. Go ahead and go sit down. Anyway, people, let me go get ready. And pack up my tool or something. I don't have nothing to pack. Me just have to show it. I waste my time carry 2 suitcases. But you know, me want to carry hand luggage, some come and get free hand luggage by the fare when me use. And me want me look makeup and me look something, because me say me not get like a souvenir, but and see if them have nothing don't have to carry up. But me not get to buy nothing. You understand? Me not get to buy no t-shirt. The only thing me buy is this lovely sweater. If you wear go up. I paid $35 for it in the hotel strip. Very pretty. Yeah, very, very pretty. So see it there, I buy it. It said original price $69, but it's a Aruban, I pay $35 for it in front of the hotel, down on the strip. And me carry the DK white tights. So me say, all right, me wear it come back up with my boots. Cause me say cola bite me in the plane. So me have one t-shirt in my suitcase. Me put that on my clothes. Cause me I tell us in the plane cold. So that me I go put on when me ready for go. And me have my boots. And me have one black t-shirt and put it underneath it. Cause me I tell us a cold bite me I never get no good rest on that plane. The plane ride is 4 hours long. Yes, 4 hours long. Me never get for wearing a pretty clothes. Cause me carry clothes. Me carry clothes for dress up and go out for dinner and go party. Not for go party, but me just carry dresses. Me carry other clothes for put on. Me have this blue suit. Me say me could have wear God awake too. You know, me have this. Me could have wear God awake with me blue tights. You know, me have this for match with this. So me never wear it. See, they tag them on the same way. So me don't know how I say me not come with no clothes. I'm a nice, expensive dress. You see a $28 for it. This look like a $28 frock to you? Idiot boy. You ever see $28 frock with them a line in here? You see a deer frock come with them a line in here. You go over there show a picture. I mean, I went about $28. Go sit down. You sound like an idiot. You sound like a big, big fish. No, sir. Me sooner or later, people. When time I reach at the airport, me go live. Me go pack. And go up on the road. Me now put on me hot shirt until when we reach at the airport. Me put on one black t-shirt. Me put on a t-shirt here. Yes. I wear it. Me put on a t-shirt here. I that me for put on and call him a bitch. That's what me put on. Me put on a t-shirt here. Yes. We're right. We're right pan it. Yes, so that me put on when me go on the road. When we reach at the airport in the plane, I put on the me put on the sweater. Idiot boy. Me put on a t-shirt with it. But me no carry no clothes. Me have on the same clothes and me no bed. Out of order. Me just come in, And me have a dress, Pan a chair. And me take off the hot clothes. Me couldn't wait for it to take off his clothes. And me put on the little dress and relax. The boy they on social media say, oh, she have on the same clothes from 2 days now. Idiot boy. This a 3 of them me carry. 1, 2, 3. And me come home like yesterday evening. And me have me frat them. All me do go in the car. And God friend house go sit down in a chair and come back. Then I want me clothes dirty and me now work out tonight and sweat. And me put on the clothes to relax and come on live. The boy over the seat there, they have the same dirty clothes she have on. Are you dirty? Me not dirty. Me not even have on the clothes for 2 hours good. And me wear it in the car and go over the woman, go over her friend yard and sit down in a chair and come back. They know me dirty. And my clothes. I 3 of them me carry. 3. One leopard looking one, this one and one blue one. How the blue one there? Bright. And out of order. No, sir. Out of order. I'm bright. Me have this one. Look here. Idiot boy. A 3 of them me carry. 1, 2, 3. Anything you have to say on social media, me counteract that. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. You have clothes like me? You have clothes like me? 3 of them. 3. Right there. Me carry it. Three of them, brand new. Me not even carry them back. Me I left them. Give me supporter. Me not even carry them back. She can't wear them go to the beach. I have something for Marcia Campbell. Me I left all of them. She can't wash them and put them on. Me not care about none of them. None of them me not care back. Me I left all of them give her. Because me have 100 of them. A brand new. And she should be a honor to wear them. Me I left all of them give her. Make she put them on. Wash them and put them on. Me I leave all of them give her. Anything me not care, me I left give her. That's some me stay. Because down your hot. And them you should put on and go on the road and wear go beach. Throw a bathing suit over it. Me not even carry them back. Move. And anything me I come back again, me I carry a whole heap of things for her. Anytime I touch back in this place, yeah, for a great hospitality. Move from yourself. You know nothing about love. You know nothing about clothes. Go. Bright. And out order. Let me go pack my little things. You know, say me I go back up in my wig. Me now wear a ballet go up, Oh yes, me can wear ballet go up. When me reach at the airport, me put on my wig. When we reach at the airport, put it that way because the wig is annoying too. So let me go up to the ball in the plane. Me see if me find one hat at the airport. Me can't find one hat. Me not tell a lie in the plane cold. I forget to carry one like a blanket. I need one neck pillow. I was not comfortable at all. My neck would have hurt me. Yes, me a give her just like Nadine. That's why me and Nadine could have been friends for many years. We come from the same place. You understand? That's why me and her get along like that. Travel everywhere. We share things together. We never complain. You understand? Never hear about nothing on social media. You understand? Go away. You're too mean. Idiot boy. You know nothing about gratitude, you don't know nothing about love. Don't no love you don't have. No love. But anyway, people, I am going to see you at the airport. Me I go make some phone call, pack my suitcase, take out them for take out, put over the so. Oh, me carry a wig too, you know. Oh, see it yeah? Okay. Me carry a wig. Ah, yes, me dear. Me not have to wear the blue wig. I can wear me can't wear me can't wear my short wig. Me can't wear my blonde wig up. Oh, me carry wig. Me have my blue wig, so me can't have wig on my head. For go up. Ah, I can't wear my blonde wig. Me brush it out and spray it. Okay. I have my blonde wig. But me can't put on a wig right now. When me ready, me go into the bathroom at the airport, I put on my wig. Me put on my wig, me carry short wig. So anyway, me will see you later, people. Yes, I was looking forward to get a little coconut, a little sugar cane. Me never know them not have them something here. Them not grow them or something like that. And any time, so me not get to drink no coconut, no mango. Me think me I can get mango. Them are something in a day like that. Yes, me dear. Yeah?
What time have you reached airport?
Me I reach airport about 12:31. That's a 4 o'clock flight me have.
Oh.
4:30 flight.
Alright. I carry the lady go, what do you call it?
Where?
Therapy.
What time you come back? About what time?
Then if I want to watch the other half an hour.
No man, by the time you come back, I want to go up on the road about like about 12:31. I want to reach the airport by 1. So when you come back, we just go straight.
Alright, get ready.
I get.
Put the thing down apart for it. You call them to come pick them up?
No, I'm not calling about it yet. No, you can't tell them.
But how am I going to know who is who, what is what?
Me tell you when you come back. Mm-hmm. Me tell you. So that is the thing. So me I'll get ready. And because them say the airport is very hectic. So